Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
First, open the Photos app and check for blank thumbnails and loading icons. If thumbnails remain blank, force close the app and reopen it immediately. Next, check settings to confirm at least 5 GB free storage on the device. Then verify iCloud Photos is enabled under Settings Photos and that iCloud storage shows available space. Also check the Photos tab for recently deleted items taking up space. These steps help isolate whether the problem is app, storage, or cloud related. Force close the Photos app and wait at least 10 seconds before reopening it. If images still fail to load, restart your iPhone using the power and volume buttons together. After the restart, open Photos and watch for thumbnails to repopulate within 2 minutes. Next, update iOS to the latest version using Settings General Software Update. Perform the update when you have at least 50% battery or connect to power. These steps often resolve transient software issues affecting photo display. If basic steps fail, sign out of iCloud, then sign back in to refresh syncing. Next, try Reset Network Settings under Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone, then test Photos again. If syncing still fails, choose Reset All Settings only after noting custom configurations. As a last resort, restore the iPhone from an iCloud or iTunes backup that contains your photos. Restoring may take up to 30 minutes depending on backup size and connection speed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.